back in Somerset in the southwest of England to see how technology is helping Shal Housing to get the very best for their residents. We were here just over a month ago now with our partners Vericon and ADEY to kickstart a scheme looking at the energy efficiency of the heating system of tenants' homes. Today I'm at Shal Housing where they're monitoring the data from the ADEY and Vericon solutions. What about Vericon? What are those results showing us?
So here you can see this is an example of not a great boiler, which is on all the time. We don't want that. Over here you can see that the boiler is often running at 100%, which is not what we want.
No. So you're going to engage with that tenant to get an understanding of what's going on in that property?
We will do, yeah, to find out what's happening there.
You've carried out some ProCheck testing across the property portfolio, looking at pH levels, looking at corrosion, looking at inhibitor. Can you tell me about the results you found?
Yeah, so as you can see, we've installed 18. 3 of them come back absolutely fine, but we've got 15 that need immediate attention, so we've got a bit of work to do.
Pat has been a resident of Shal Housing for 26 years. So Pat, we've got the Vericon telemetry from the BCM that's monitoring your boiler and it's showing it's working much harder than it needs to. We've also had the ADEY ProCheck, which is showing that there's high corrosion levels within your heating system. How's that making you feel?
We've noticed the difference because we've had to turn the temperature up on the thermostat. We usually run it about 16 degrees, 18 degrees, but this year we've had to put it up to 21 just to get some heat into it.
So on your room stat, you're increasing that temperature just to get those comfort levels of warmth within your home?
Yes.
Sadly, when new boilers are installed in the UK, the wider health of the system is often overlooked and a new boiler struggles to achieve optimum efficiency from day one. Dan, we're here today at Pat's home where we're carrying out a MagnaCleanse flush. Can you tell me a little bit about that, please?
So MagnaCleanse is a means of flushing the system that resets the water quality to allow the boiler to effectively heat the home much more efficiently, whilst at the same time lowering the burden on the boiler to reduce the risk of breakdown.
I've noticed you're using a Testo thermal imaging camera.
That's right, so that's designed to show the cold spots on the radiators. So ultimately that's what the MagnaCleanse is designed to eradicate by flushing that sludge through the system.
And you're going to be fitting a Micro 3 Sense filter?
Yes, so the filter itself is designed to protect the system ongoing by capturing the sludge as it passes through the system. The unique aspect of the Micro 3 is that it remotely monitors the system over time, so it sees how the system degrades and allows the housing association or the contractor to get to a potential breakdown before it occurs.
The final stage of the process is to fit Vericon's autofill technology, which monitors boiler pressure and autonomously tops up the heating system when needed. So what difference will the autofill make?
Well, low boiler pressure contributes to 60% of call-outs to social housing providers. So by fitting the autofill, it means that we can dramatically bring that figure down.
Engineers have spent the morning in Pat's home working to improve the performance of our heating system. So Pat, we've had the engineers in today and they've done a MagnaCleanse flush on the system. This is what they pulled out of your system.
Wow.
That's dirty, isn't it?
Yeah, that is impressively disgusting.
That's all black iron oxide and the magnet just draws that in and captures it. Fill your radiator now. Can you feel a difference?
Yeah, there is, and you can tell that you will hold the heating for longer as well.
So you can turn that thermostat down a little bit more.
Yes.
We've fitted the technology, now it's over to ADEY and Vericon to keep a watchful eye over the heating system and the home environment. We'll be back in a few weeks to see what a difference this has made to the residents' lives.